everyone. We are the students of BTech Electronics and Communication from DAV Institute of Engineering and Technology. Myself, Amisha Modgil, and my team members are Ridha Bhardwaj and Yuvraj Kumar Arora. Under the guidance of Dr. Lav Kumar and our HOD, Dr. Neeru Malhotra, we are going to discuss about the vehicle-to-vehicle communication using the Wi-Fi technology. In this module, we are going to discuss about abstract, introduction, history, working, why Wi-Fi technology, difference between Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi, applications, advantages, disadvantages, market trends, and at last the conclusion. Further using the Wi-Fi technology, we develop a project on vehicle-to-vehicle communication. In this scenario, we transmit the data through the LED lights of the vehicle. Vehicle-to-vehicle communication is the most effective solution that has been used in order to reduce the vehicle accidents, as one vehicle can aware another vehicle by transmitting the data. Now, starting with the introduction. Li-Fi means live fidelity, which is based on visible light communication, which is one of the fastest and the cheapest optical version of Wi-Fi. It is a wireless optical networking technology that uses light emitting diode for data transmission, in which data is transmitted by LED bulbs and received by photodetectors. It is a bidirectional and fully duplex wireless communication of data using the light. Now, going through the history. Harley has developed the Li-Fi and promoted Li-Fi in his 2011 TED Global Talk by giving presentation on LED light bulb to transmit a data which is of speed 10 times faster. As the speed of light is very fast, so the data transmission speed is also fast. In October 2011, companies and industries group formed the Li-Fi Consortium to promote high-speed optical wireless system. The logic behind the working of light fidelity technology is very simple. If LED is on, the digital string 1 is transmitted. When the LED is off, then the digital string 0 is transmitted. For example, there is an LED at one end and a photo detector at the another end. Whenever the LED is 1, that is binary 1, and when the LED is off, binary 0 is registered by the photo detector. Thus, a message is built up by many flash of LEDs. Hence, all that is required some LEDs and a controller that put the data into those LEDs. All one has to do to vary the rate at which the LED flicker depending on the data we want to encode. Further enhancement can be made in this method, like using an array of LEDs for parallel data transmission or using a mixture of red, green and blue LEDs to alter the light frequency, with each frequency encoding a different data channel. Let's gain more information through this video, as today's generation is addicted to wireless connectivity using the radio equipments. RF transmitter like Wi-Fi sends the signal to far places which can be traced easily, which means data is not secured. Li-Fi is a type of optical wireless technology which is 100 times faster than the Wi-Fi. It converts beam of light into data signal, and the signal is then converted back into the data. It transmits data at multiple gigabits. It is more reliable, interference free, and it is more secure than the radio technologies such as Wi-Fi cellular. Now, next will be continued by Ridha Bhardwaj.
Now, let's discuss the issues regarding radio spectrum which leads to the need of Wi-Fi technology. First, capacity. Second, efficiency. Third, availability. Fourth, security. Capacity involves less bandwidth compared the other spectrum, insufficient spectrum for increasing data. Inefficiency. Millions of base stations consume huge amount of energy for transmitting radio waves to cool the base station cabins. Availability. It involves available within the range of base station. Security. In security, the RF technologies are less secure. It passes through walls. By observing electromagnetic spectrum, the radio waves are expensive, have limited bandwidth, and it's less secure. Infrared waves are for low power applications, and in ultraviolet waves are dangerous for human body. X-rays are used in hospitals. Gamma rays is not used generally. Hence, we conclude is visible wave is suitable and it is safe to use and have larger bandwidth. Now, let's discuss the difference between Li-Fi and Wi-Fi. Li-Fi, light fidelity, wireless fidelity, operation, transmit data using bits with help of light from LED bulbs. Transmit data with help of radio waves with help of Wi-Fi router. Security. As light is blocked by walls, not secured as for RF dry walls are transparent. Interference. Do not have an interference issue to radio waves. Has interference issue from nearby access points. Spectrum. The spectrum range is 10,000 times than Wi-Fi. It has radio spectrum range. Frequency. The frequency band is 100 times of terahertz. The frequency band is 2.4 gigahertz, 4.9 gigahertz, and 5 gigahertz. Speed. Fast speed internet. Comparatively slow speed. Where to use? Anywhere where light source is present inside a building, typical with an array of WLAN communication, habitually inside a structure. Cost. Cheap as LED lamps are used, quite expensive. Data transmission. Very high rate of data transmission used to visible light spectrum. Transmission rate is low as compared to Li-Fi as RF is used to communicate. System components, lamp drivers, LED bulbs, light detectors will form complete Li-Fi systems. Router have to be installed. Devices like laptops, PADs, desktops are called as stations. Let's see the applications of Li-Fi. First, medical application. Operation theaters do not allow Wi-Fi due to radiation concern. Uses of Wi-Fi at hospital interfaces blocks the signal for monitoring equipments, so it may have hazard effect to the patient health due to improper working of medical apertures. To overcome this and to make operation techniques away, Li-Fi can be used to access internet and also to control medical equipments. This will be beneficial for conducting robotic surgeries and other automated procedures. Traffic management. In traffic signals, Li-Fi can be used to communicate with passing vehicles, which can help in managing the traffic in a better manner, resulting into smooth flow of traffic and reduction in accident numbers. Also, LED car light can be alert drivers when other vehicles are too close. Underwater application. Li-Fi can even work underwater where Wi-Fi fails completely, thereby throwing open endless opportunity for military underwater operation. Education system. Li-Fi is latest technology that can provide faster speed for internet access, so it can replace Wi-Fi at educational institutions and at companies so that the people there can make use of Li-Fi with high speed. Disaster management. Li-Fi can be used as powerful means of communication on times of disasters such as earthquake, etc. Some ways stations and tunnels, common dead zones for most emergency communication, pose no obstruction for Li-Fi. Military and Navy. It is also used in military and Navy as while other RF technology is not secured. Smart cities. Now, Li-Fi is being used in updating the cities. Here comes the advantages and disadvantages of Wi-Fi. Advantages: high data speed, high security, low power, RF spectrum saving, less harmful to humans, electricity savings. Disadvantages: LOS operation, short range, interference from sunlight, requires light as medium, higher initial cost. Now, next will be continued by Mr. Yuvraj Kumar Arora.
These major players such as equity brands, Global Li-Fi Tech, Panasonic, Oldcom, Signify, Pure Li-Fi, LVX System, and Wilmany have spotted in taking the Li-Fi market size to top. These are Li-Fi products which helps to transmit the data. North America Li-Fi market size was projected to exceed USD 20 million in 2019, and whereas it expected that North America CAGR will be around 55% from 2020 to 2030. Europe Li-Fi market size was projected to exceed USD 30 million in 2019, and Europe at over 50% around CAGR from 2020 to 2030. Asia Pacific Li-Fi market size is exceed to USD 30 million in 2019, and Asia Pacific at over 65 CGAR from 2020 to 2030. The size of Asia Pacific Li-Fi market is projected to reach over $30 billion by 2030. This project will enable to communicate the information between the vehicles. In this, LED will act as a transmitter and photo detector will be used as a receiver. Further, ADC, analog to digital converter, will employ to generate digital bit code along with ADC, and DAC, digital to analog converter. Many other sensors will be used during this project, such as LDR sensor, ultrasonic sensor, Arduino Uno, and LEDs. Hence, we conclude from the module that Li-Fi is upcoming growing technology acting as a competent from various other developing and invented technologies. This wonderful technology be used practically, then maybe in future. Each and every bulb can be used something like a Wi-Fi hotspot to brighter future. Every bulb can be used something like a Wi-Fi hotspot to transmit wireless data and will proceed towards the cleaner, greener, safer, and brighter future. The concept of Li-Fi is currently attracting a great deal of interest and very efficient alternative to radio-based wireless system. These are the references used in this module. Thank you.